Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the keyless entry key fob on your Mitsubishi. This is used in several models, so it's the same for all of those. It's very easy to do. You need a flat screwdriver and the plastic card will also help you a lot. And of course, just get the battery that you are going to replace, and it's a standard battery. It's a, let's see if the camera focus, it's a CR2032 battery, so that's the one that you are going to need. All right, so first we need to take the key blade out. You have this locking pin here, slide it, keep it in that position, and the key blade goes out. Then you are going to have access to this notch here, and you are going to use the flat screwdriver and you are going to pry it a bit just like this, and you have, let's call it, cracked it open. And now use the plastic card. You are going to push it through that small opening and you are going to force it. I'm using the plastic card because this will not scratch the key anymore than a screwdriver will, and it will help me just open this up entirely. And you can see that is the result. So you just use the plastic card and you just slide it a bit around. Don't push it in, you just need to keep it in that space there, and you, by sliding it, you are just creating more space. So we got up to this point, and now you can gently open this. There's the empty battery. It has here a notch through which you can put the screwdriver and take the battery out. And now you are going to insert the new battery, which goes the opposite way. So first under those two notches there, and you press it in and it's installed. Now I'm just going to put the other side back on. You are just going to press it and it clips into place. All right. And put the key blade back and you are done with it. As simple as that. Now you have replaced the battery. Bye bye.